Nice. Guys, it's amazing.
That should be the spinal cord.
Guys, this is
Okay, sorry.
damn.
Okay, this is very sweet.
I love the skin. That skin part. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm with the CEO of Darianrestaurant.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Queen and I'm the CEO of Darianrestaurant. Thanks for having me.
You're most welcome, guys. Today is going to be a fun video, man. You're going to be showing us. I say I can't cook, guys. She's going to be showing us how she prepares that Ise Ewu.
Yeah, good head.
Good head, guys. Like, just stay tuned. Watch to the end, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Watch to the end.
Okay, so for this dish, we'll be using potage already mixed with water. You just need to sieve out the water. This is the red oil. This is the goat brain already matched. We use this to thicken the Ise Ewu sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our seasoning cubes, stockfish, salt, ehiri. This is red yellow pepper with onions. This is otazi for the garnishing and onion rings for the garnishing also.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the goat head. We'll have different parts of it. This is the ear. I may not be able to identify all of it, but I think this is the tongue area, and every other thing is here, the eyes and the rest of it. Yeah, so this is our goat meat properly washed, and in here we'll have our stockfish, blended pepper. We'll have the goat's brain inside nylon so that it doesn't boil and scatter all over. So we'll have to leave this to boil for approximately 45 minutes. We'll have the seasoning cube in here, we'll have the salt, and that's all. Okay, so now we're mixing the Ise Ewu. Put the potash water bit by bit and stir.
Do you know what they call ungo? Is this the same thing as what?
Yes, exactly. This is the same process for Kobe.
Abacha tsunko.
Yes.
Okay.
So you see the color of the oil is changing from red to, is it yellow now?
Yellowish.
Exactly, yellowish. So that's it, no? We are putting the goat's brain.
Brain. You said it's going to be for thickening.
Yes, this is for the thickening. Stir. So this is our ehiri.
What happens if you don't follow this order? Will you still get the same outcome?
No, you won't. This is how it has always been. This is how we're taught. And I've always followed this recipe, so keep stirring. You can see it's a little bit, we don't want it too thick and we don't want it too loose. So it's a little bit thick now, so I will put a little of the meat stock, just little. The taste for salt, and if you need extra seasoning, with this we'll have a very good consistency.
Nice.
It's on a hero book. So stir this up together. At this point, after mixing it up together, you can heat it up a little bit before the garnishing process.
So the food, the Ise Ewu, the goat head is done. And if you're familiar with my channel, you should have seen Nonso before, the CEO of Tinscam Vlog.
Yeah.
And I've seen Dominic, the dancer, in previous videos, guys. So now we're going to be diving into the Ise
That's the
Ewu.
right word.
Diving.
Alright, so I dived into this one. Oh, but do.
So how does it taste? How does it taste?
Okay.
Talk now. Dominic, how is it?
I don't know. There's no word to describe this taste.
Exceptional.
Okay. Now understand what I do. Guys, it's amazing.
It's exceptional.
Like, let me learn how to do this. This is so nice. Like, before now, I've eaten Kobe before, and I was in the video, but like this, the same, almost the same sauce,
Yeah.
the same traditional mixture, yeah?
Yeah, traditional, similar traditional mixture. With what's this thing? What is it called? I think Igbo traditional mixtures are almost like the same thing. Abacha, nkwobi, what is it? Oba.
They have the same foundation.
Yeah. They are seamless.
Like,
They are seamless.
they're getting the old goat meat, the old
Yes, you know you're eating it.
flavor. I know that it's not too peppery, it's not too salty, it's just perfect. Like, the combo is just perfect, man. So guys, I can't talk.
I guess it's able to identify the parts of the head.
I think I ate the ear.
What is your
I ate the ear.
the ear?
The goat ear.
This one I think it's the tongue.
It's here. When you're literally
I'm
eating
trying
it.
to what did you eat?
The tongue.
Ew, what did you eat?
I don't know.
I don't know this part.
That should be the spinal cord.
Guys, this is
Okay, sorry.
damn!
Okay, this is very sweet.
I love the skin, that skin part there.
Yeah.
Like when you now draw it, now stretch, you get now come very, very nice texture. See a balance of mouth. I think this is. I see what animals. So the shop there, I said go to the show.
I don't know which the part I want. I think this is the best part.
It's finger licking, guys. You don't bite off your fingers. There's no manners. There's no manners when it comes to eating and eating. Manners. Don't know you.
So what manner?
Exactly. Those are very useless guys.
It's a food that is a mindless food.
Okay.
Okwaya.
Kalama boy. I think I'm quite one boy. Exactly. Have you eaten it before?
Yeah.
Yes, serious.
It just tastes different. Like, I think this is the real deal.
Darianrestaurant, the real deal. Continue.
I feel like it.
You are babe. Akwaibo.
The funny thing is that Darianrestaurant is in Lagos, man. I know most of you are in Lagos.
Right.
So if you want to order, just comment. Besides, I'll leave handle, Instagram handle on my Instagram, on my YouTube description. There, now food, they make it up like this. In my YouTube description, I'll keep an handles there, guy. You can order for this. I swear, it's very affordable, guys.
Anywhere in Lagos.
Very, very affordable. Corona or no Corona or it's COVID, so you don't catch Corona.
Whoa, please don't.
Guy, I swear they give me everything.
This is like soft, it's like biscuit ball.
What's the show? Like tits.
I'm not even sitting on this.
I won't do it. Guys, have man than eating this thing, please. Dutch outside. Amen. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm so full, man. I'm so full, man. So, Darian, thank you for making that delicious delicacy.
You're welcome.
So my stomach is rejoicing.
Nice.
So where can they find you?
Yeah, you can find me on Instagram at Darianrestaurant, on Facebook at Darianrestaurant. We deliver to homes, offices. We have soup bowls, stew, rice, anything at all you want.
Like cook anything at all?
Anything.
Oh! That's nice, guys.
And very affordable also.
Okay. Like this one I ate now, like how much is it?
It's 4,500.
4,500.
4,500.
Guy, a whole goat ate 4,500, guys. That's really cheap. Guys, so I'll put our Instagram and our Facebook link on my description. Please make sure you check her out and follow and get some, guys. You need it in your life. So thank you once more for being on my channel. Thank you. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, guys. Thank you. Peace out.